Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Really quick, do you shop from Shop Miss A? So the other day, well this is actually a Black Friday, they were having a sale. I went on the website, I bought a few things, and now let's unbox them together. It kind of took mad long to come. I was like, alright. So they sell like makeup, jewelry, nails, lashes. They sell a whole bunch of like little things. Mostly everything is like $1. And then they have like some things like $1.55, and then they have like some packages and all that stuff. They have a whole bunch of stuff. So I can't really remember what I got. It's been a while, but I got some makeup. I think I got some accessories. And oh, see? I know I got some cute accessories. Like, I forgot exactly what I got, but these are cute. I love they're colorful and yummy and cute. Oh. Okay. So I got like a package of stuff. Oh, I think these are shimmer sticks. Wait, hold on. Oh wait, this is foundation? Oh, I got foundation. I know this is a liquid illuminator. Do I have this already? I don't know, but I bought that. I bought a powlighter, Sunray. Wait, do I have this already? I wonder if I'm rebuying things that I already have. These are two other shimmer sticks. What colors did I get? Number 1 and number 4. This is probably what was left. Anyway, let me just look at what else I got. Another pair of earrings, like little studies. Not studs, but they're bigger than studs, but they're kind of studs. Oh, these are cute. Definitely gonna be wearing these a lot. Love me some gold hoops. Oh, I remember I was saying they started to sell new things. So they have like these organic cotton pads and panty liners. So I did buy one to try. Oh, here's another earring. What, 2 of these? The hell? Wait. Why did I buy 2? Oh, I guess. I mean, I bought 1 silver and 1 gold. Like, sometimes I'm just like, you be doing too much. Like, why did you really? Anyway, I think sometimes it'd be looking better online, and then you just buy it because you just like you want. Oh, okay. I got another like illuminator. This color look cute. Let me see. Can I open it right now? Oh, I like that. Oh, it's nice and soft. Hold on. I didn't even empty out the rest of my thing, but okay, it's like a coppery gold. This is better for like dark, like really, really dark skin. It's pretty though. I like it. I think this is the one where they were sold out of a lot of different colors. And this is my last little pack. Ooh, I got some other glows. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me not drop anything. What the heck is this? All right, hold on. All right, hold on. All right, so this is a bronzer. Let me see. I'm just opening these because these are like easier to open. Why the hell did I get this? See, that's what I'm saying. I think it looked a lot different online. Like, I don't even think I ordered this one. Because if I did order a bronzer, I ordered one with more warmth. This is super cool. This is not going to show on me. I can't use this. Is like a waste of money. This one is, it just says matte bronzer. It doesn't even have a color. That sucks. Anyway, these are some shimmer bronzers. Let me see. Let me see what this is looking like. Oh wait, I think this is the one I could probably use for warmth and stuff. This is Giove. Like, where's the color? I can't even tell you what color this is. That's why all this crap is $1, because it's just a whole bunch of. Let me see. This one actually looks like something that I would be able to wear. No, they both look the exact same. Did they send me the same thing? Same girl. I think I'm a little bit annoyed. Wait, are these the same thing? What? I know I definitely did not buy two of the same thing. They must have... They had to have given me the wrong thing, but whatever. I mean, I guess this website is kind of like a hit or miss kind of situation. And I definitely missed... I mean, I guess I hit with the accessories, missed with the makeup. I want to see this foundation. This is a foundation stick. First of all, it's really small. It's, let me see how many ounces. 0.15 ounces golden amber. Now I have to go back and look at my order form, because I don't believe that I got this. This doesn't even make sense. Oh, you know what? I could have got this for a highlight color. I could have gotten this for a highlight color. That's probably what I could have gotten this. This one is thick. I don't know if you can see it that well. It's not really a swatching video. This is more of an unboxing video. That's why it's just like, yeah, I think I did get that for a highlight color. I don't feel like opening this. I don't feel like opening this. I'm not going to. I think I bought this before. This Pow Lighter in Sunray. I'm not opening that either because I don't feel like it, and it looks like it's about to be messy. It's kind of late. Anyway, have you ordered from Shop Miss A? What was your experience? Do you like it? I'm trying to think, like, should I order from them again? Does it make any sense? I mean, I got some cool things. I got some not so cool things. They're only $1, so it's just like, I'm not losing out on that much. Not that I need anything either. But, I don't know. Would you buy from them? Or would you just save your freaking dollar coins? I get sucked in because of, like, random sales. I'm just like, bro, why? But anyway, yeah, let me know your thoughts. If you like the video, comment, like, all that stuff. Subscribe for more videos, more content for my YouTube channel. Leave me a comment below on leave me a comment below on some other things that you would like to see me do, because I plan on doing a lot more. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye. I get sucked in because of, like, sale. Even if they're like, oh, you get